student, today we are going to see standards of English from term 3. The unit name is Learn Always. In this unit, we are going to see the poem Why. Let us know the reason why the sky looks blue and why the earth is round. Come, let us move to the video session.
Unit 1 Learn Always. From this unit, we are going to see the poem Why. Let us recite the poem. Why is the sky blue? Why is the earth round? Why is silk soft? Why is fire hot? Think, why is it so? Why does the river flow? Why does the wind blow? Why does the sun shine? Why does the rain pour? Think, why is it so? Let us seek with question all week. As we grow with answer to know, think. Let us know the reason why is the sky blue. If you look at the sky, it looks blue. When light hits the atmosphere, that means you all know what is meant by atmosphere. The air which is surround us, it's called atmosphere. It's separate into colors. In that, a blue light scatters, making the sky looks blue. Only the blue light will scatter. Because of that, the sky looks blue in color. While the rest of the colors reaches our eyes as a white light. So, sky looks blue while it scatters. Rest of the other colors will be looks as a white in color. Because of the reason the sky looks blue in color. Why is earth round? The earth is round in shape, but the earth is, when you know, it is massive enough that the pull of gravity, you all know what is meant by gravity. When you put the apple from a top, it pulls from the earth gravity. That means it attracts from the earth. That is called gravity. It maintains roughly the spherical shape. Most of the deviation from the spherical stem from the centrifugal force caused by rotation around its north-south axis. For example, if you see the map, there will be north, south, west and east. From that rotation, if you see from the north-south, it is called round in shape. Why is silk soft? We all know the silk will be very soft. From the cocoon we are getting a silk. That means a silkworm. From the silkworm we are getting a silk. The silk have a advantages as it has a low density, makes for light and comfortable clothing. That means it is very light and comfortable for clothing. High resistant to deformation. That means it has a high resistance. The silk will always have a high resistance. And the next one is good insulation properties, warm in winter and cool in summer. It will be warm in the winter time, but it will be very cool in the summer time. It's a specialty for the silk. It is very strongest and natural fiber silk cotton. It is very natural and fiber. It is a natural fiber of silk. Let us know why is fire hot. If you touches the fire, it will be very hot. Because the fire is hot because the thermal energy, that means the heat energy released when a chemical bonds are broken. That means when you touch something, for example, if you are burning a candle, some reaction was taking place there. So because of that, the heat was produced. Because of the chemical reaction, the heat is formed so that when you touches the fire, it becomes very hot. Why does the river flow? A river flows from the water moving from the higher elevation to the lower elevation. For example, from the mountain, the water poured and it is moved to the lower level, that means from the higher level, that means from higher elevation to the lower elevation, from the mountain to the land, that means higher to lower. Because of the gravity, that means because of the earth gravity, it pulls towards the earth and it flows as a river. When rain falls on the land, it either seeps into the ground or become runoff, that means it becomes runoff, which flows downhill into rivers and lakes. It flows as a lakes, river, ocean. At the last, it reaches to the ocean. That means we all know sea, isn't it? Yes, it last it will be more into the ocean. River eventually end up flowing into the ocean. That means finally it ends up at the ocean. First, it starts with a mountain, it reaches to the lakes, rivers, everywhere, and finally it reaches to the ocean. Why does the wind blow? Let us know the reason why wind blows. Warm air, which weight less than cold air, rises. Then cool air moves in and replaces the rising warm air. This movement of air, it was make the wind blow. It means when a warm air, it has a very less weight. When it reaches the cool, then what happens? When cool air moves and replaces the warm air. When cool moves and replaces the warm air, replacements instead of cool, there it will come a warm air. Because of that, the wind blows. This is the reason why the wind blows. Why does the sun shine? We all know the sun shines very brightly in the afternoon time, in the morning, every time the sun shines very brightly. It gives many advantages for our body. Let us know some advantages. Our body produces vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. For example, when we are getting sunlight in the morning till 10 a.m., the sunlight is very useful and gives strength to our body, which is vitamin D. It is very useful for our body. For example, if a newborn baby is born, means they will keep our baby in under the sunlight before 10 a.m. because this sunlight gives vitamin D to our body. So the child also will get the sunlight, that means vitamin D to our body. Because of that, it will grow very faster. It gives very strength to our daily life. Because of that, what will happen? The skin will look very shine and it will look very fair in color. Because of that, the sunlight is very useful. Since vitamin D helps our body maintain calcium and prevent brittle, thin or misshapen bone, soaking in sun may just be the doctor order. That means when the doctor is giving advice to the somebody to keep under the sunlight, means we have to maintain all those things. Because of that, we are getting many calcium, and we can prevent the bone mishappen. That means any mistake is happen in bones, means while we are keeping the child under the sunlight before 10 a.m., it becomes very helpful for the body. Why does the rain pour? Yes, we have already know about the water cycle. Water cycle means from the land, that means lake, river, stream, pond, ocean. From there, the water will be there. From there, what will happen? Because of the sunlight, the water gets vapor and reaches to the clouds. Then it forms a cooling condensation. That means it becomes condensed and this forms as a rain. Because of that only we are getting rain. This is the reason why the rain pour. Let us seek with question all week as we grow with answer to know. Think. We all know why the reasons are happening because of the rain pour, sunshine, wind blow, river flow, fire hot, silk soft, earth round, sky blue. Yes, we all know the reason why these all looks colorful, and the reason for the earth round. Yes, by thinking of it, let us know many reasons about the many things. I hope you all understood about the poem Why. Thank you, students.